Hello, welcome back. Question 48, NOV-DEC 2024 edition. We are to express 0.00003963 in the standard form. Remember to write a number in the standard form. It is in A dot B times 10 exponent what? N, where your N could either be positive or what? Negative. The value could be positive or negative depending on where the point is being transferred into. So the A is always between 0 and 10. So 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, a single number point, right? And B can be any number of digits you want to. So if I am looking for 0.0003963, I am trying to remove the point from here and put it where we have the first significant value. 0 is not significant. No, this is significant. So we put it at the back of the first significant word, value. So how many times am I transferring? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, meaning 3.963 times 10 exponent n. And this n is going to be 5, right? Now, we say it can be positive or negative depending on the direction in which the point is traveling. So if I'm moving the point from left to right, I am dealing with what? A negative exponent or negative n. So see, it's left to right as you have negative 5. If the point is traveling from right to left, then we are going to have a positive exponent. So looking through, the option that will best describe this will be the option D. You will be thinking this is also going to be the same, but because of the digits here are more than this, and in the number there's a 3 here, so D become the best option for this. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.